How to copy profile URL of an account on Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Instagram, then open it, and then when you open your Instagram you will just search for the person that you wanna do that with him. I will go for search, then I will for example choose this person, then I will go to this 3 point up of his account, his profile, then I will click copy profile URL and then click it's copied. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question you can write it down in comments, and see you next video.